morning, students. In data table, we are going to study that in Excel, a data table is a way to see different results by altering an input cell in your formula. Instead of creating different scenarios, you can create a data table to quickly try out the different values for the formulas. इसका मतलब आपको क्या करना है, देखो डेटा टेबल से आप क्या कर पाओगे, अलग अलग रिजल्ट देख पाओगे बाय ऑल्टरिंग एन इनपुट सेल इन योर फार्मूला. फार्मूला में आप वैल्यूज़ को ऑल्टर कर सकते हो. इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज यू कैन क्रिएट अ डेटा टेबल टू क्विकली ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट वैल्यूज इन फॉर द फार्मूलाज. यू कैन क्रिएट अ 1 or 2 वेरिएबल डेटा टेबल. सी सपोज यू हैव प्राइस, ठीक है, क्वांटिटी एंड डिस्काउंट percentage of an item, and also calculated the net price as shown in the figure 6.21. Just see in this figure 6.21. Now let's find out the values of net price for the various values of price and quantity. देखो प्राइस 250 है, क्वांटिटी 50 है, उस पर डिस्काउंट आपको 10 मिल गया है. अब आपको करना क्या है, नेट प्राइस कैलकुलेट करना है. द प्राइस रन्स हॉरिजॉन्टली टू द राइट वाइल क्वांटिटी रन्स वर्टिकली एज डाउन. क्वांटिटी नीचे होगा as shown in the figure 6.22. See, it is written, no, price runs horizontally to the right. price इस तरह horizontally है. उसके बाद quantity runs vertically. quantity इस तरह से नीचे से है. click on data what if analysis data table. आपको कहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, click on the data, उसमें what if analysis और उसमें data table. the data table dialog box will open as shown in the figure 6.23. See, this is the figure 6.23. It will open like this. In the row input cell, click on the price cell B3. row input cell में where you have to click on the price cell B3. This is B column and this is 3. Here you have to click over here. In the column input cell, click on the quantity cell B4 and then you have to click on OK. ठीक है, this way you can do this. Observe the data table that appears as shown in the figure 6.24. तो इस तरह से the data table will appear. Next is what? Solver. See, solver is another what if analysis tool. It follows the goal seek method to solve the equations but more elaborately. The only difference between goal seek and solver is that solver deals with equations with multiple unknown variables. It is the elaborate form of goal seek. Solver क्या है, ये एक another type of what if analysis tools है. It follows the goal seek. ये किसके जैसा है, goal seek method के जैसा है. जैसे आपको equations solve करना है more easily way में. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है, सॉल्वर डील्स विद द इक्वेशंस विद मल्टीपल अननोन वैल्यूज. इट इज द एलैबोरेट फॉर्म ऑफ गोल सीक. द सॉल्वर कमांड इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन एक्सेल बाय डिफॉल्ट. मतलब अपने आप इसका कमांड नहीं है. यू नीड टू लोड द सॉल्वर एड इन यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स. ऑन द फाइल टैब क्लिक ऑन ऑप्शंस. अंडर add-ins select solver add-in and click on the go button. The add-ins dialog box will open. Check solver add-in and click on OK. Now you can find the solver in the analysis group of the data tab. Suppose you are the owner of an automobile service center and planning on providing a new service to your clients. For this you need to buy a new equipment that costs rupees 50,000, which should be paid by installments within 12 months. Your goal to calculate the minimal cost per vehicle service that will let you pay for the new equipment within the specified time frame. Enter the data on the worksheet as shown in the figure 6.25. This data you have to enter. To find the solution to this problem through solver, अब आपको क्या करना है, देखो कॉस्ट ऑफ द न्यू इक्विपमेंट कितना है 50,000, प्रोजेक्टेड क्लाइंट्स पर मंथ 50, कॉस्ट पर सर्विस 1, number of months to pay the installment equipment you have to calculate. तो you have to write down what formula आपको लिखना है, B3 upon into B4 मीन्स इन द ब्रैकेट B4 और B5 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देखो 50 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उसको 50,000 से डिवाइड कर देना है. सो चूज सॉल्वर फ्रॉम द एनालिसिस group of the data tab. The solver parameter windows will open as shown in the figure 6.26. The set objective is a cell containing a formula that represents the objective or goal of the problem. The objective can be to maximize, minimize or achieve some target value. Here the objective cell is B7, which calculates the payment term using the formula, and the result of the formula should be equal to 12. Select the value of button and enter 12 in the box. By changing variable cells are the cells that contain variable data that can be changed to achieve the objective. Excel solver allows specifying up to 200 variable cells. Here the cells whose values can be changed are projected clients per month, B4 that should be less than or equal to 50. मतलब देखो B4 में आपके पास 50 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते हैं. कॉस्ट पर सर्विस मतलब B5 में डालना है that you want solver to calculate. Therefore, in the by changing variable cell area, select both the cells B4 and B5. Subject to the constraints are restrictions or the limits of the possible solutions to the problems. To add a constraint, do the following. Click on the add button. In the add constraint window, enter a constraint as shown in the figure 6.27. For example, add B3 in the cell reference box. Choose equal to sign and enter the value 50,000 as constraint. This you have to do this, and try solving this as per the instructions. Click on the add button to add the constraint to the list. Continue entering another constraint as shown in the figure 6.28. Now add B4 in the cell reference box. Choose less than or equal to sign and enter 50 as the value of constraint. Click on the OK to return to the main solver parameters. Click on the solve button and let the solver find the optimal solution for your problem. When solver has finished processing, it will display the solver results dialog box where you select keep the solver solution and click on OK as shown in the figure 6.30. The solver result window will close and the solution will appear on the worksheet. Students, please try to do this whenever you are opening this page as per the instructions. Complete this. Thank you for watching.